question. What is intelligence? Well, it's the ability to acquire and apply knowledge and skills. AI, therefore, is intelligence created by us, the intelligent human beings. The scary vision we get to see in movies like Terminator, Matrix, and Star Wars, where machines take over the world almost, isn't the real AI. It is programming computers such that they mimic the problem solving and decision making capabilities of the human mind. Yes, that does not involve machines taking over. Not yet for sure. And what surrounds us in that AI, like Amazon Alexa, Apple Siri, Google Home, and Tesla autonomous cars. It's almost a minute. I'm signing off. Do subscribe, like, and share.